So today I will discuss our chapter home and abroad. So I will discuss its exercise home and abroad. So its activities first. Here drag and drop the correct answer. So here world map is given, but here two symbols, which country here and which country this. Okay, red point. So obviously you know it's our country India. Correct. Okay. Then next, United Arab Emirates. Okay. So next, here drag and fill means fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks below. Options are given. Here rubber, deserts, rupees, oil, Gandhiji, and sandstones, currency, cotton, arid. Okay. Here Indian currency consists of dash and paise. So Indian currency consists of rupees and paise. Correct answer. Then next, the climate of Abu Dhabi is hot and arid. Currency hot and arid. Correct. See student. Then next, dash is the fastest means of travel. Air is the fastest means of travel. Next, all Indian banknotes have a picture of dash on them. Gandhiji. Our national father Gandhiji. All Indian banknotes have a picture of Gandhiji on them. Next, Abu Dhabi is the largest producer of dash in the world. Largest producer of oil in the world. Next, dash are desert storms. Sandstorms. Sandstorms are desert storms. Next, every country has its own money called currency. Okay? Every country has its own money called currency. Next, dates are usually grown in dash. Dates are usually grown in deserts. Correct answer. Next, Kerala is the largest producer of dash in India. Kerala. Okay, first I will take rubber. Kerala is the largest producer of rubber in India. Next, people in hot desert regions wear loose dash clothing. Cotton clothing. People in hot desert regions wear loose cotton clothing. Good job. Next, match the following. First student, read on left side and right side. Options are given. Read it. So student, here dirham, Hamas, Abu Dhabi, Kerala and Malayalam. Currency of United Arab Emirates, deep and appetizer, capital of United Arab Emirates, Indian language, and Trivandrum. Okay, dirham. Dirham, currency of United Arab Emirates. Hummus. Hummus. Here first I will match Trivandrum. Okay. Hummus dependent appetizer. Abu Dhabi, capital of United States. Kerala, Trivandrum, Malayalam, Indian language. I will submit here. Correct. Congratulations. Good job. Dirham. Correct answer. Currency of United Arab Emirates. Hummus, dip or appetizer. Abu Dhabi, capital of United Arab Emirates. Kerala, Trivandrum, and Malayalam, Indian language. Write in your notebook. Okay, next point. Short answers. Okay, so Abu Dhabi is rich in which natural resource? Abu Dhabi is rich in oil and petroleum, and hence it is one of the largest producer of oil in the world. Okay, write in your notebook. Next question. What do you mean by currency? Name the currency of India and United Arab Emirates. Yet every country has its own money. Every country has its own money and it is called currency. The Indian currency is called rupee and paisa. Rupee and the currency of United Arab Emirates is called dirham. Okay, write in your notebook. Next question. Name some food crops that are commonly grown in Kerala and Abu Dhabi. Papaya, coconut, and jackfruit are commonly grown in Kerala, whereas dates are widely grown in Abu Dhabi. Okay, write in your notebook. Next question. Compare and contrast the prominent features of Kerala and the United Arab Emirates. Here Kerala and United Arab Emirates, compare here some. Here Kerala watery, then here sandy. Number 2, hot and humid. Here hot and dry. In Kerala greenery, barren, desert area means rubber. Here petrol, natural breeze. Here air conditioner. Okay, write in your notebook. Okay, next question. What type of climates are found in Kerala and Abu Dhabi? In Kerala, the climate is humid because of evergreen tropical forest and adequate rainfall. Kerala is also prone to floods, whereas Abu Dhabi has a hot and arid climate because of mountains of sand and very little rainfall. Here mountains of sands and very little rainfall, Abu Dhabi is prone to sandstorms. Okay, write in your notebook. Okay, next question. Yeah, good job. Let's move on. True or false? In desert countries, water is cheaper than petrol. Desert country, water is cheaper than petrol. False. Here in desert countries, petrol is cheaper than water. Next, United Arab Emirates is the capital of Abu Dhabi. United Arab Emirates is the capital of Abu Dhabi. False. Abu Dhabi is the capital of United Arab Emirates. Papaya, jackfruit and coconuts grow widely in desert. False. Papaya, jackfruit and coconuts do not grow in the desert but in places with adequate water. Next, Malayalam is the state language of Kerala. True. Next question. Abayas are worn by men over their clothing in Abu Dhabi. Abayas are worn by women over their clothing and disharas are worn by men. Okay, false. Answer false. Okay, here it's exercise complete, but I will explain. Then next, Pochampally activity. Here, visit to the handicraft fair. Find the place on the map of India. Here, Andhra Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Maharashtra, Bihar, Kerala and Rajasthan. Okay, Andhra Pradesh. Finding place. Jammu Kashmir. Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Maharashtra, Bihar, Kerala. Okay, then Rajasthan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, next, crafts of the states. Here, Punjab, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal. Rajasthan, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, then Fulkari, Punjab. बांद्री, Rajasthan, and Jamdani, West Bengal. Okay. Next year, idle words and grades. Options are given. Okay. See student. Here, Pochampally, textile, weave, loom, handicrafts, tradition, thread, dye, silk, and cotton. Okay. So I will give you homework. Okay. First, write in your notebook. Write these words and find hidden words. Understood? Here some fill in the blanks. The weavers have learned the skills of weaving from their options are given. Uttamur, bright, silk, ancestors, Bihar, loom, Mondal, Pochampally, Jamdani dyed ancestors. The weavers have learned the skills of weaving from their elders or ancestors. Next, the dash saris are woven in West Bengal. Okay, Jamdani. Jamdani saris are woven in West Bengal. Next, Pochampally material comes in dash colors. Okay, bright colors. Next, a dash has many needles and is used for weaving cloth. Correct answer, loom. A loom has many needles and is used for weaving cloth. Pochampally dash has become world famous. Pochampally dash has become world famous. Okay. Mondal has become world famous. Next, the cloth is called dash because most families living there are weavers. Pochampally. The cloth is called Pochampally because most families living there are weavers. Okay. Pochampally cloth is woven from dash yarn. Mondal, bright, Jamdani, Pochampally, loom, dyed, Bihar, silk. Okay. Right? Yeah. So student, read 2 chapters. Okay, Home and Abroad and Pochampally from your EVS textbook.